Have you ever wondered how the internet actually works? How does a website load so fast? Or why does your video game suddenly start lagging? It all comes down to how information moves across the internet. Think of the internet like a giant city filled with highways, roads, and cars traveling to different places. Just like in a city, traffic can slow down, roads can be blocked, and sometimes things even break. Let's break it all down so it makes sense. First, let's talk about bandwidth. Imagine you're on a road trying to get to school. If there's only one lane and a lot of cars, traffic moves slowly. But if there are 6 lanes, cars can move much faster. That's exactly how bandwidth works. Bandwidth is how much data can travel at one time. The more bandwidth you have, the more information can move through the internet without slowing down. If you're watching a movie, playing an online game, or video calling a friend, high bandwidth helps everything run smoothly. But if too many people are using the same internet connection, just like rush hour traffic on the road, everything slows down. Your movie might start buffering, your game might lag, or your video call might freeze. Now, let's talk about packets. The internet doesn't send big chunks of information all at once. Instead, it breaks everything into smaller pieces called packets. Think of packets like delivery trucks carrying small packages. Let's say you order a pizza, but instead of one driver bringing the whole pizza, each slice is delivered separately by different drivers. When all the slices arrive, you put them back together and have your full pizza. That's exactly how data works. When you visit a website or send a message, the information is broken into small packets, sent through the internet, and reassembled on your screen. But how do these packets travel? Just like cars on the road, packets don't always take the same route. If one road is too busy or blocked, cars take a different way to reach their destination. The internet works the same way. If one path is too slow, your data will find a faster route. That's why sometimes a website loads slowly for a moment, then speeds up. It's like finding a shortcut to avoid traffic. Sometimes, internet providers have to do network maintenance, which is like fixing the roads. They might update servers, repair cables, or improve security. This helps keep everything running smoothly. If your internet suddenly stops working late at night, your provider might be fixing something to improve the network. Now, here's something important to know. Having more bandwidth is great because it means faster internet, but it also means more ways for hackers to sneak in. Imagine a shopping mall with 10 doors instead of 1. It's easier for security to watch one entrance, but if there are 10, it's harder to keep track of everyone coming in and out. Hackers can take advantage of this by trying to break into networks with high bandwidth, which is why cybersecurity, like firewalls and strong passwords, is so important. Sometimes, even with the best internet, you can experience network loss, where your signal drops and things stop loading. This can happen for a few reasons: too many people using the network, a weak Wi-Fi signal, or even bad weather. Have you ever been on a video call and the screen freezes or the audio cuts out? That happens when some of the packets get lost along the way and can't reach you fast enough. So, the next time your internet slows down or disconnects, think of it like a busy highway, delivery trucks carrying data, and roads under repair. The internet is a massive, complex system, but understanding bandwidth, packets, and paths helps us see how everything connects and why sometimes things go wrong. Thanks for listening. Stay curious, stay safe online, and keep exploring how technology works.